Hello YouTube, I am doing a video showing off the sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. This is the 12 Doctors. It's touch activated right here. And push that button. Make some noises. All kinds of good stuff. This retails for $20, give or take, depending on where you buy it. Ah, crap. Hold on, there's a feature I'll show you guys. Okay, now, if you notice that part is gone, if you go back into the video, this part is on the back. It comes off to reveal a power chip. That's all. I just wanted to show off my awesome sonic screwdriver. Yay. And if you guys are wondering, I am a fan of Five Nights at Freddy's. I had the first 3 games on my Amazon tablet. And I am on the 4th night on the first game. I can't figure out how to get that far on the 2nd game because freaking Foxy. That's all, folks. Bye.